How fast can you get to the Independence Square today? If you are in Accra, then take the chance to be able to do this. The YEA and the STC are going to offer a free driving lessons today for the first 100 people that get to the Independence Square. That is today, 26th September 2024. So if you are there, you are hearing this as an audience, then rush there this morning, rush there. If you want to drive, then rush there and be among the first 100 people to be able to do this. So this is for YEA and STC. It's free driving lessons for just the 100 people. Well, you can go to the yea.gov.gh to get more information on this. But then, if you are hearing this, the info came me very late. But as I saw, I said, okay, let me tell you this. If you are there, in fact, share and inform somebody to rush there right now, this morning, and take that offer. This is Seekers News GH. We bring you the info as and when they occur live. Subscribe to our channel for more.